Hey everyone, today we're going to be putting in the plow markers around our parking area so that we don't ruin the lawn and create more work for the spring. Right here, ordered up a bunch of the Plow right marking stakes. They claim they're better than what you can buy at Lowe's or Home Depot, so we're going to try them out. They include a tool for install, so today's going to be a little bit of a product review / unboxing. All right, so let's get started here with the unboxing, and we'll try not to cut ourselves because that would be bad. This video also isn't sponsored. They didn't reach out, anything. I just saw them online and thought I'd try them out. So let's see what we got here. Oh, this appears to be a tool. And here is the stake. Now, I went with the 48-inch ones, so 4 feet tall. I do like the reflective stripe on them. They do feel a little flimsy, but according to their video, you can run them over and they stay right there. So we'll see what else we got here in the box. Just a bunch of the stakes. So we'll throw them back here, and we'll start going to put some around. But first, let's check out this tool here. It looks like you slide it in there, then just jam it into the ground, pull it right back out, and the stake stays. So I didn't see any instructions in the box. I'm gonna look again. Might be something I just need to check out on their website. So let's see how it goes. All right, so install. Looks like you can either just put the tool in the ground first and then put the stake in, or you can go with this other method, which is what I want to do, where you just slide the stake in and then pull the tool out. All right, so we're going with the method where you just slide this onto there. It appears that you need to take this cap off. Safety first. We're gonna grab a stake. Slide it in. And that's what you end up with. And then we're going to put that in and start putting a bunch of them in. So let's see how this goes. Got our stake ready. Let's see how this goes. And of course I hit a rock. So that's in, oopsie. Let's try it again here. Not bad. Seems flexible. Yeah, I think it feels solidly in there, so we're gonna run with that. See how it goes. All right, you can see that we put a bunch down. Went pretty easy. I think I probably should have gotten the bag. There's a nice little carry bag that you can use to carry the stakes. It's like 25 bucks, but it's okay. A little walk-in, carry them, it'll be all right. So yeah, we'll see how they hold up during this winter. So overall, I think they're pretty easy to use. I would so far recommend them. It was easy with the tool. You could put the tool in the dirt first and then jam them in, but I just put them in there, kind of like slid it down like a chamber, put them in the ground. Worked super easy. They're supposed to be really, really flexible, so we'll see how that works out. Holds up this winter, and we'll probably end up getting more of them. I've only seen a handful of videos online of people reviewing them, so I guess the verdict's out, but they're cheaper. I'm going to put down in the description, I'll put a price breakdown of how much each stake was, Compare it to like the stakes you can get, the fiberglass ones at Lowe's for 48 inches, and we'll, you know, you can decide which way you'd like. But they claim these, I can run them right over and they'll stay strong. I don't really feel the need to run them over yet, so we'll see what it looks like when we do some plowing videos and stuff like that. So otherwise, check below for that. Comment, like, subscribe. Trying to start getting back going in with videos of plowing and property maintenance and things like that. We're still building the pole barn. It's still coming. Our shop is hopefully going to be here in another month. Have a bunch of videos with that, touring it, talking about it, and that's really about where we're at. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.